Happy birthday to you.
Wow, Dad! Oh. Sabi mo isa-isa lang.
Oh, isa lang yan.
Unboxing na ba? May gift sa akin si Daddy. Meron na siyang na-advance na gift eh. Meron po siyang gift. I'm a happy birthday. He knows kasi that I want this.
Don't you already have an Apple Watch?
No.
What? What another one?
It's not an Apple Watch. It's like a
Samsung watch.
smart watch.
Come around.
Papa, alisin natin si Daddy yung tape.
Mom.
Tanggal na yung tape. So, let's see. And it comes in two boxes inside. So, if you have
Two watches?
boxes. Yeah.
I feel like it comes fast. Satisfying.
Satisfying.
It's just undouble-sided. And Diana. That's so tiny. But it's expensive.
It's just the right size for me, Achi. I don't want it to be super big. Ang ganda oh.
I'm just saying it's
So,
small
let's-
compared to...
Ate, can I unbox? Okay lang. Daddy, ako nang gugulo.
Sorry.
Alright. So, may instruction siya. Ano ba ito panggali? Napaka-complicated naman ni Apple. Hilain lang ba? Angat lang. Ay, naputol tuloy. Ganun lang. Para umangat siya. Yay! Let's do this. So, there. Slide. Then, another sliding. Ay! Noon ko siya! Hello, Apple! I'm so happy! Mamaya ko na to i-coconnect sa bahay. So nice! Bring iPhone near Apple Watch. I'm using my phone to film eh. Bring near lang ba? Kita mo ba yung ginawa ko? Baliktad yata. Yan o, sabi niya. Nag-film ako eh. Later na sa bahay. Yay! So happy with my birthday gift. Thank you, Daddy.
Ano mo? Oh, stop mo muna.